Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today, as you can see, to kit up another kit. So, because we're going to be traveling soon, I had originally put this off, and then I decided, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and kit this up. So, I'm going to be kitting up my second little mini Make Market kits. These are all the little succulent plants. So, I'm going to be kitting these up. So, I've got all my drills. However, because we're still packing for the move, lots of my stuff is packed away. So here is what I'm doing, because I don't have any stickers and I don't have my sticker maker or anything anymore. So I'm going to be kitting up into bottles. So I've got my bottle funnel from Bella Arts. I'm going to be using that, but I don't have any stickers. So I have just taken washi tape, extra washi tape that I happen to have laying around, and I have just marked on the symbols. Luckily, the symbols are basically the alphabet and then 3 extra little symbols. So easy enough to write on there, should be fairly clear. I tried to make my handwriting clear, learning from the last time I did this. So this is probably going to go pretty quick, so I'm just going to jump in. So hopefully this won't take too long. There aren't that many colors of each, or that many drills of each color. And I'm just going to get them kitted up as quickly as I can. I am still in the process of packing and sorting, as always. It seems like a never-ending process. Someday I'll be done, and then we will be packing up and getting ready to move. So I'm going to be doing this, and then hopefully I'm going to continue. I don't know when the next video from the Diamond Painting for Beginners series will be. Oh, shoot. Can't take me anywhere. I always spill. All right, let me just scoot those off of there. And now I've forgotten what I was saying. Like I said, someday I'll be done packing things and we'll eventually move, and then I can have all my stuff around me again. Not sure how long that will take, but eventually we'll get there. And hopefully, I've gotten rid of so much diamond painting stuff, but I think I could probably stand to get rid of a few more things. I'm really... After packing up all of my stuff for the move, I'm really kind of second guessing how much of a stash I want to keep. I was watching Lizette from Lizette Crafts and Tells, and she has gone to a system where she is limiting, she did a big detox kind of thing not too long ago, but she's limiting herself to no more than 24 kits at a time, and that is unboxed kits and whips total, if I understood her correctly. And not that I'm going to limit myself to 24, but I did have the thought that I could stand to limit myself somewhat. I have a lot of diamond paintings in my stash at the moment. I think I have 80 some at last count. Even though I haven't really bought anything over the last few months, I still have plenty to keep me busy. And even though I've been checking out Diamond Art Club and a lot of the other places, I just haven't seen anything that made me think, yeah, I absolutely need to get that one. And I'm kind of wondering if I'm still going to feel that way when it comes to Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales, because they released, what was it, 30 some Christmas kits, and I just didn't see any that I had to have. Even though it would have been nice to buy some Christmas kits or any kits. Also, because I haven't bought any new kits, I haven't seen anything about the whole brouhaha over the red lines because of the perforations. I have a couple of newer Diamond Art Club kits that I think came with the perforated covers. My Jetsons kit had the perforated covers. And I think I bought two kits since then, but I haven't done either one of those, so I'm not up on the perforated covers or the pink line situation. Honestly, the pictures I saw of the pink lines don't look very good. I mean, I get why people think they're helpful, but, and then the mix up with them being put on the wrong way. I wouldn't want to spend the kind of money that you have to pay for a Diamond Art Club and then get something that had ink all over it, even if there is a workaround that you could fix it. I mean, I suppose having to fix something like that would make for good YouTube content if I wanted to do that, but at these prices, it's kind of crazy. And nothing ever seems to get less expensive, right? Okay, I've hit T, so I'm getting pretty far in here. I'm looking forward to doing these little succulents. I haven't done a paint gem or a little mini kit like these. I think the last mini kit I did was the mini dazzles that I bought from Diamond Art Club, the diner food one. I have seen a couple of the mini dazzles that I might be interested in, but I also meant to go out and look at their Diamond Art Club's Amazon shop because somebody was saying they've got some new stuff, or at least stuff I haven't seen on their Amazon shop. I just hate to buy from Amazon when it's Diamond Art Club because you don't get any points that way. I guess you don't get any points if you buy through Hobby Lobby or whatever either, but I have points I could use for free shipping and stuff, so I'm really hoping something comes out on Black Friday that I want, but I don't know if it will or not. I'm also kind of waiting to see what Dreamer Designs and Orloa do. And then on the other hand, in the next breath, I will tell myself I have enough diamond paintings currently. I don't need to buy any more for months. Maybe after we move and we're settled and I have a space where I can put everything out and it's not just all packed away. Maybe. I'm kind of ready to go on a little road trip though. Packing and making the manifest and doing all that kind of stuff. Sometimes it feels almost like I'm doing it more for myself, just so we'll know what is where when we get there. If that's even true, I don't know at this point. I'm ready to be done. Can you guys tell? All right. I have not been on social media very much the last couple of days, and I apologize for that. I have seen you guys posting in the Facebook group your DP for Veterans progress, so please, please, please keep doing that. If you are not in the Facebook group, please feel free to join. I will stick a link down below for the Facebook group. You do not have to have a start pick. You can start anytime, even if it's in the middle of the event. You just have to have a finish, so make sure it's a kit that you can finish. I only require it to be 30 by 30 or larger, so if you have a kit that works with the theme, it shouldn't take you too long. So that's it, you guys. I have this. This is one of my Art Dot drawers, one of the few things I haven't packed yet, so I just put it in here in bottles. And I think what I'm going to do is actually, when I get around to the other one, when I'm ready to switch them out, I'll just switch out the bottles for the bottle case. Maybe. We'll see. This is everything all kitted up. You'll have to let me know, how did I do improvising? Has anybody kitted up like this before? Like literally just taken washi tape and written stuff on here? I had some round stickers that I had planned to use, but they have disappeared on me. So let me know in the comments below what you think, if you've ever kind of kitted up this way, or is this how you normally do it? What have you had to use in a pinch? Leave a comment. So I've got everything kitted up in here. I've got all my little succulents ready to go, and I can get these into a little travel case and be good to go. Or I can just pull out the drawer and diamond paint of an evening, maybe in the hotel if I can't do it in the car. These are, again, my Make Market mini succulents, so I'll stick a link to those down below as well if you want to check them out for yourself. I think they're really cute. Okay. That's it for me today, guys. This was a quick video, but again, sorry, in the middle of packing. Again, apologize if video and audio quality is not up to its usual snuff. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that will be fixed fairly soon. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.